Hi guys, how's life? I hope you're all feeling good because today we're going to do an introduction to algebra part 2. Last week I published the introduction to algebra part 1 where I went through many of the basics of algebra. I'm going to show you the recap very soon. So, we learned what are variables and also we learned algebraic expressions, also with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with algebra, and also linear equations, one variable. Linear equations, two variables. Let's try this example. 4x plus 3y is equal to 6, while 3x plus 4y is equal to 8. First, let's take equation 1, which is 4x plus 3y equal to 6. Now, take equation 2, which is 3x plus 4y equal to 8. Now, so that we find the value of y, we need to cut off x completely. To do that, we need to find the coefficient of x in both the equations. So, in equation 1, the coefficient of x is 4. And in equation 2, the coefficient of x is 3. Now, for equation 1, take the coefficient of x, which is 4, and multiply it with equation 2. Do it vice versa and multiply 3 with equation 1. Now for equation 1, you will get 12x plus 9y equal to 8. Then for the other one, you will get 12x plus 16y equal to 32. Now divide it into left hand side and right hand side. And then in the left hand side, when you minus it, you'll get 7y, and in the right hand side, you will get 14. So now to conclude this answer, we need to divide 14 and 7 to get 2. Now take equation 1 and try to substitute the value of y, and you'll get x is 0. So the result of this answer is that y is 2 and x is 0. Let's try this example. I went to the store and saw that 5 apples and 3 bananas cost rupees 105. And then I saw 6 apples and 5 bananas cost rupees 140. Now the thing I want to do here is find the cost of 1 apple and 1 banana. Tell you. Now, first we need to consider A as apple and B as banana. Now, let's take equation 1, which is 5a plus 3b equal to 105. Then take equation 2, which is 6a plus 5b equal to 140. Now, to find the value of a, we need to find the coefficient of b in both the variables. Now, in variable 1, the coefficient of b is 3. So, multiply 3 with equation 2. Do the vice versa and multiply 5 with equation 1. Now, the thing you'll get for equation 1 is 25a plus 15b is equal to 525. Then, for the next equation, you will get 18a plus 15b equal to 420. Now you have to divide it into right hand side and left hand side. In the right hand side, you can see the numbers, and in the left hand side, you can see the variables. Now, the thing you need to do is minus both of them and get the value. In the in the left hand side, you will get 7a, and in the right hand side, you will get 105. Now, to top this equation off, we need to divide 105 and 7. From this, we will get 15. The value of A is 15. To find the value of B, I will take equation 1, and which is 5A plus 3B equal to 105. Now, in this equation, we know the value of A, which is 15. Same 5a. So 15 multiplied by 5 is 75. Now to find the value of b, we need to minus 105 and 75 to get 30. Now since the value is 3b, 30 divided by 3 is 10. So the result is a is equal to 15 rupees and b is equal. Great job, everyone. Great job. Now that you understand this topic, it's time to do the exercise. In one, two, three.